Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to modify task templates within Asana. The process is very straightforward, so just follow these simple steps. Start by scrolling down to your project section and selecting the project where your task templates are located. To begin editing, navigate to the Customize button in the top right and then select Task Templates from the menu. Here, you will see a list of all the templates currently added to your project. To make changes, click on the three dots next to a template and choose the Edit option. You can now update the name, assignees, due dates, projects, dependencies, descriptions, and collaborators. Once you are finished, all your changes will be saved automatically, so just click Done. It is that easy. You can also use the same menu if you need to delete a template. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next one.